Do you quit? In this video we're going to look at 5 poetic words in Irish. If you would like to support me here on YouTube, you can make a contribution via PayPal. Any donations, no matter how big or small, are much appreciated. Details will be in the description and in the first pinned comment. So back to this video on 5 poetic words. Let's start with a raven. The Irish for raven is fiach dubh. Fiach dubh. And that comes from 2 words. Fiach comes from the Irish word for fia, which is wild, but it can also mean a hunter or a chaser. And dove is black, because ravens are black, of course. So it basically translates into the black hunter or the black chaser. Cho dubh leis an bhíoch, as black as a raven. Cho dubh leis an bhíoch. Next we have the sparrow. This little bird is very light in colour. You'll see here that his feathers and his breast in particular is kind of a white silver colour. And that's where the Irish name for a sparrow comes from. Gialún. It can also be pronounced Gialawan as well. Gialawan. So this comes from 2 words. Gial means bright, and the last 4 letters make up the word van with B-H-A-N, and that comes from the Irish word for a woman or a lady, ban. So gial and ban together mean a light or a bright lady. And that's where the name for sparrow comes from. Gialún or Gialawan. Next we have this word here, Inish Foil. Inish Foil. This means Island of Destiny. And this is an old Celtic name for Ireland. Bill Clinton actually referred to this name for Ireland when he visited here in the mid-90s. Inish Foil, Island of Destiny. Let's move on now to the Irish for a weasel, and that is Blonid Gaulda. Blonid Gaulda. And this comes from 2 words. Blonid comes from the Irish for blá or bláhanna, which is flowers, so it basically means like a flower, and Gaulda means foreigner or English person, or it can refer to the Anglo-Normans, but basically it refers to something or somebody not from Ireland, let's say. So Blonid Gaulda means a foreign flower. Because the weasel will not be found in Ireland, it's not native here, and it is not part of the Irish landscape or part of Irish nature. It is found in Scotland and England though. What we have in Ireland is the stoat, which is a separate species to the weasel, and that is native to Ireland and has been here for hundreds, if not thousands of years. By the way, the Irish for stoat is asóg. Asóg. And that comes from 2 words. As, which is the Irish for a waterfall or a torrent, and óg means young. So it's kind of like a young waterfall or a young torrent. So that's the story with the stoat and the weasel. The weasel, once again, Blonid Gaulda, the foreign flower. Next we have the goldfinch. The Irish for goldfinch is Losar Chuile. Losar Chuile. So Losar means a flame or a strong light, and Chuile comes from the Irish for woods or forest. So when you translate it across, you'll see that Losar Chuile means the light or the flame of the forest or the woods, whatever way you want to describe it. The flame of the woods. Losar Chuile. Because of course the goldfinch is a very brightly coloured bird with both bright yellow and bright red on him, as you'll see here. Losar Chuile, the flame of the forest. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to let me know of any other poetic words that you can think of. Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more great videos just like this, and I'll see you soon. Slán tamil.